If you are a business owner who is looking to streamline their payroll operations, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Jay. I'm from Payrol Software, and today I'm going to tell you three major differences between payroll outsourcing and in-house payroll software. The first difference is control. A payroll outsourcing offers you less control over processes, while a payroll software offers you full control and oversight. The second difference is scalability. Payroll outsourcing can be challenging for growing companies due to added cost. Meanwhile, a payroll software can be customized to match your company's needs. The third difference is flexibility. A payroll outsourcing offers a very limited flexibility when it comes to real-time operations. At the same time, a payroll software can be tweaked to adapt your specific needs and requests. So if you are looking for an HR software with the best payroll automation tool, you can visit our website startuphrsoftware.com. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with your HR.